everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted some Suede cleaner. I'm super excited. It's winter, lots of salt outside. It makes your shoes look gross. This is great. So you get this little bottle of cleaner and it is foaming, and I'm gonna show you that in a minute. I'll demonstrate. You get this brush. I have already used it. I tested it out, so my brush is a little gross. This is sort of a soft, rubbery, plasticky bristle. This is hard and kind of holds its shape. There's some ridges there. You have this little like spatula guy, and then these hard bristles here on the end. That's great to get all the nooks and crannies of your shoe. You also get this like polishing cloth that is microfiber, because this you can use on Nubuck and Suede both. So what you're going to do is you're just going to shake this up and then spray it right onto the shoe, a couple of pumps. You're going to put more on to dirtier parts of the shoe. So like, you know how the front of the shoe always gets salt on it and it kind of looks just gross? You're just gonna put this on, rub it in, and look at that. The salt is gone. So I already did this shoe just to show you when it dries. It does look a little bit different. So you can see when it's wet, the color looks a little off, but then when it dries, it looks great. This is amazing. I love this. I can't say enough great things about this. So easy to use. My daughter even can use this to clean her shoes. Love, love, loving it. Definitely check this one out.